Hello everyone, and welcome to another Pokemon card video. This is Pokemon Collector 86. Today I have 4 breakthrough packs to open up since today is November 4th. It's their release date. Gonna have some fun with these guys, so let's see what we get today. Start off with pack number 1. Alright, first card, Pablo, Magnemite, Noibat, Ralts, Skiddo, Flotate, ooh, a Burning Energy, Purloin, ooh, a reverse holo of Meowth, very nice, and we got Simisear, and that is a rare for the pack. Simisear is the rare. Okay, let's go ahead with pack number 2. Okay, first card in pack number 2 is Axew. And Pansear, Paris, Swinub, Sandshrew, Granbull, how do you pronounce that there? Behani, I guess. A town map, a reverse holo of Pansage, and our rare for the pack is Starpore. Okay, we're looking for one of those new breakthrough cards. Let's see if we get anything here. Pack number 3 as a code card. Had a successful code card giveaway last month, so we're gonna have a different giveaway this month for you guys. So pack number 3, start off with Scatterbug, Ralts, Pansage, Hippopotas, Pablo, Magneton, Float Stone, Fracture. Ooh, that is a very nice reverse holo. This is rare. And next rare is him. Yeah, nothing. So we got one more pack to go. This pack here, guys. Code card. Okay. Remoraid. Axew. Woobat. Goldeen. Teddiursa. Buddy Rescue. Kirlia. Giovanni Scheme. And a reverse holo of Prinplup. And our last card is just a regular rare. We got Parasect. So, no EX cards, no Megas, no nothing for these 4 packs. But, that's okay. I'm planning on getting myself a box later this month. So, thanks for tuning in, guys, and I will see you on the next one.